Students, let me tell you today that just by making a correct diagram, how to score well in biology. So let me take an example of an diagram, that is anatropous ovule. The first thing required when we make a diagram is the axis, the proportion, and then we will come to the next. So what should be the size, what should be the axis, what should be the proportion of the organ which we are making, right? So this is what is an anatropous ovule. If you know, this is given in your second chapter, right? Now coming to, these are the integuments, and here suppose this is an example, right? First focus on the shape, size and proportion. Second, when we label it, suppose if I label here, when we label it, then use the parallel lines, and the labeled word should be written with capital alphabets like this: embryo sac. Suppose if inside there is something and I want to show that, and very close, suppose if I have to show number of things which are close together, then what we do is bring the parallel lines, and sometimes if you feel that they are becoming congested, then we can take help of slightly slant line, and then before writing the name, make it parallel. So like this is antipodal cells, then this is what is polar nuclei. Here it is, this one, egg. So in this way, what is the required, that we should keep in mind that the lines should be straight, they should not cross with each other, and secondly, whatever word you write, the label word should be written in capital. So this is easy, children. First, the proportion, the shape, the size of the object which you are making, the diagram, and then second, when you label it, all the lines should go parallel to each other. Number third, your labeled word should be in capital. And this is all to get good score. So do it and get good marks in biology.